everyone, my name is Brie. I'm an artistic educator and part of the digital team here at PRAVANA, and today I'm going to show you a look inspired by desert sunsets and pink cloud summers. I'm super excited, so let's go.
Starting off, we are going to section our model into our standard halo sectioning. For her specifically, I did this about a finger width wide, and behind the halo sectioning, I put everything into 4 quadrants from nose to nape, from ear to ear, what was remaining, and split that into 4 different areas. So for her halo placement, I chose Pure Light Power Lightener because I needed more of a lower and slower lift rather than something rapid, and that I know has the ability to sit and process a little bit longer while I'm applying our HydraGloss formula in the remaining 4 quadrants. I also chose to do back-to-back slices for a more dynamic impact directly around her face to prep us for our VIVIDS application. While her foils were setting, I moved on into our 4 quadrants. Starting at zone 2, I applied Formula 1 to the perimeter. For my HydraGloss formulas, I really wanted to play around with a few different color families. So for Formula 1, I did our 5 NT with a little bit of our 6 BV and our 9 NT to make sure that her root area was still more of a natural. These HydraGloss formulas that I chose for the back 4 sections were amazing because I really wanted to make sure that there was a natural root going on while being melted into a true rose gold, but not having something that is hollow or flat. I really wanted to see a lot of dimension. So this is why I chose Formula 2 and Formula 3 to alternate with different variations of adding in our HydraGloss 7CR, because it would then add a little bit more of a copper vibe, darker in some areas, and then a little bit more of a true rose gold in others. I completed this in remaining 3 zones. Once our halo section was dried and clipped away, we went in with our Vivid formulas, which I melted Formula 1 into Formula 2. Formula 1 being 18 grams of 2 Cute Coral, plus 20 grams Pretty in Pink, plus 3 grams Pink and 8 grams Sunstone, melted into 26 grams Clear Pastel, plus 4 grams Yellow, plus 3 grams Lavender. Now, the reason I added lavender when I already had lightened this formula using our clear pastel was because I wanted the small bit of purple to neutralize the yellow, so it was more of a whisper of yellow rather than a shout, because I still wanted to have just that iridescent type vibe to go with it rather than a neon yellow. Once our VIVIDS formulas were applied and processed, we rinsed, and then I conditioned her with Color Protect conditioner, blow dried, and styled into what you see here.
All right, sweet. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope you learned something today, and make sure to check us out for more education at pravana.com, all our socials, including mine at Color Brie Happy. See you there.